Hello everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all the viewers. Welcome back to Techie Perks. In this video I'll be showing you how to install Mac OS 11 Big Sur virtually or Windows 10. So these are the links that you should follow to download all the prerequisite tools, the OS itself, Unlocker and VMware tools. I'll be adding these links to the description. So this is the Unlocker itself. This is VMware tools, the OS itself, Mac OS, and VMware. So again, I have added links. So click on Control Shift Escape first. Open up Task Manager, Performance, and make sure virtualization is enabled. If this is disabled, there are lots of other videos on how to enable virtualization for your particular CPU. So once that is done, go to Google and download, click on download VMWare Player. So it should take you to the download page directly, and click on download now. I'm not going to download this. I already have a copy in my desktop, so yeah, I'm cancelling it. Now let's try to install VMware Player. It's a fairly straightforward install. A couple of nexts and finish. Okay, so now let's extract the OS. For extracting you might need 7-zip, it's all kind of freeware. Just do search for 7-zip on Google and download, and either you could download the 64-bit or 32-bit depending on your CPU. So yeah, so right click on Big Sur and extract. Again, I'm not going to extract it here. I already have extracted the OS on my other drive, so I'm going to cancel this. Now let's open up VMware Workstation. Yeah, so this is the OS that I've extracted already, so it's almost 16 GB, exactly 16 GB. Now let's open up VMware Workstation and create new virtual machine. Next, you'll see Microsoft, Linux, but Mac is missing. So here's where Unlocker comes in. Unzip Unlocker, and you should find something called win-install. Right click that and run as administrator. So once the patching is finished, we can try to open up VMware Workstation again. Now let's create a new virtual machine. Next, there you go. Have a Mac OS X. You have the required option to install Mac OS. Right now, moving on. Create a virtual machine. Now click on the second option, install disk image, and select the extracted OS. Click on open. Next. Since this is Mac OS 11, I'm not gonna make any changes to this. And location, where you want to have your virtual drive to be installed. I have a separate one in my D drive, so and for performance you should always go ahead with single file, so stick with that. And I'm gonna customize my hardware. I'm gonna increase the RAM to 8 gigs and processor I'm gonna allocate four cores. Yeah, that's it for now. Finish. And click on play virtual machine. This won't work actually. You'll see an error. And this is fine. You can fix this. So in order to fix this, first off you should know what CPU you're running. Either it should be AMD or Intel. So yeah, so this is the code for AMD and this is for Intel processors. I'll tell you where to put this. First off, you need to find out if you're running a Mac, Intel or an AMD. So you'll have to do that. You have to check that in the DirectX diagnostics. Before that, yeah, so open up your drive and there you should see something called as the virtual machine configuration file. Where is it? Yeah, there it is. Now right click that and open with Notepad just to make sure we can edit this, right? And now Win plus R and type in DirectX diagnostic DXDAAG. It should open up a window that should tell you what processor you're running. So here I'm running AMD Ryzen, so this is an AMD processor, so I should copy the AMD code from the file. Again, I'll give both AMD and CPU in the description. So just copy the AMD processors VMX code and paste it in the configuration file at the end, right? And save this. Okay, now we are good to run the virtual machine again. Okay, so this menu, this is straightforward. India English, and then we'll have to create a volume for us to install macOS Big Sur, disk utility, and on the topmost VMware Virtual SATA hard drive. We'll have to right click it. Not this one, yeah, that one, and right click and erase. Just give it some name. Then give it Big Sur. Let all the other options be the same. There you go, that's done. You can close out of disk utility. Install macOS. So this is the drive we created, formatted actually. So once the installation is complete, just give this default options. There's nothing specific here. You can, I'm just skipping all those unwanted stuff right now. So yeah, just give in your name and your account name, and so there we go. We have booted successfully into the macOS 11's desktop. So initially you might feel that the OS is a bit sluggish, but don't worry, after the first reboot everything should be normal. Okay, now let's go ahead and shut down macOS to install the VMware tools. Now open up virtual machine, the VMware Player, and then select our virtual machine in configurations, and then DVDs. You need to load the VMware tools that we have downloaded. Again, link in the description. Click on OK, and let's fire up the virtual machine again. Okay, now here you go, the VMware tools. Open this up, install. It might ask for your password, your login password for installation. It's pretty straightforward. There you go. Password. And once the installation is complete, it might ask for your VM to be restarted. So be prepared for that. Oh yeah, reboot. So yeah, just like that, we have booted back into the desktop. So this is basically how you install the Mac OS virtual machine onto your Windows 10 system. So the greater the RAM and CPU you allocate to your virtual machine, the better performance that you get out of your VM. So again, yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you all have a great day.